In this video, I'll show you how to use CrankWheel in Microsoft Edge, one of the easiest tools to share your screen instantly with others without needing any downloads. Stick around to the end for an exclusive bonus that will make your experience even better, so let's dive in. First thing, head to the CrankWheel website. You can simply Google CrankWheel or go directly to crankwheel.com. This is where you'll get the Chrome extension or Microsoft Edge extension. Yes, CrankWheel works with Edge too. Once you've installed it, you'll see a CrankWheel icon in your browser toolbar. Click it to start. From here, you can create a new session or start sharing your screen in a few clicks. Next thing, let's set up your session. When you click the CrankWheel icon, you'll be prompted to choose whether to share your entire screen or just a specific application window. Select your preferred option and hit Start Sharing. It's super straightforward and doesn't require any sign-up or account to begin sharing. The fourth thing is how to send the link to others. CrankWheel automatically generates a link when you start sharing your screen. You just copy that link and send it to your viewer. No complicated setups, just a simple URL for them to click and view your screen instantly. Next, let's talk about controlling the experience. You have the option to enable or disable features like live annotation, so you can draw on your screen while talking. This is especially useful if you're giving a presentation or troubleshooting with someone. It makes the whole process interactive and easy to follow. The sixth thing you need to know is how to stop sharing. Once you're done, simply click the CrankWheel icon again and hit Stop Sharing. It's just that simple. Now, here's something extra. You can use CrankWheel completely free, but for those of you who want a deeper dive into its features, check out the exclusive bonuses and extended free trial linked below. This offer is only available for a limited time, so make sure you grab it while you can. That's it. Now you know how to use CrankWheel in Microsoft Edge, whether you're sharing your screen for support or giving a quick presentation. If you want even more tips on how to make the most of CrankWheel, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below.